Hey kitties! Welcome back to the first video I've made in quite a while. I'm starting my return with a very exciting video because with the help of a friend, I've managed to find an unpatched way to get guaranteed free items in Animal Jam. This includes betas, clothing, den items, den music, the works. So in this video I'm going to share with you the exact method my friend found. Without further ado, let's begin. So a couple of weeks ago, my friend came to me talking about how his friend got scammed and found a way to get his items back via email. To do this, you have to contact Animal Jam's help center email. As my friend tried to contact Animal Jam via the app but got no reply. This is their up-to-date email address. Go to Gmail and type in their email, and now copy roughly what I'm doing here. Your title can be simple, such as AJ Items Scammed. First and foremost, inform them that you have been scammed or hacked. Now ask them to retrieve the items and list your desired items below. I stated that I wanted sapphires too, however, in the reply email they said that it could not be done. Write your username so they can transfer your items and your password to verify that it's actually you. If you actually got scammed by somebody, you can type their username to make it more believable. But if not, you could provide an alt account's username, or say that you forgot the scammer's username. Once you have sent it, simply wait a couple of days for a return email. BTW, this is me proving I don't have the items I asked for. I sent my email on Monday the 30th of March and got my return email on Saturday the 4th of April. As you can see, they were unfortunately unable to give me sapphires for some reason. Also, they said I couldn't log on for 48 hours. But I did anyway, and I was fine. So ignore that if you want. This was me logging on 2.5 days later. Didn't get any sapphires, but it said I had 2 new things. It was 7 AM in this clip, so I was still trying to process it. But I'm so happy I got my items. As you can see, my friend also sent an email. Their return email came. They haven't got their item yet, but they probably will tomorrow. It's a pretty straightforward method, and I hope Animal Jam doesn't stop this service. If you tried this, let us know in the comments if it worked and how long it took. And give me some video recommendations because I'm back for good now. Bye kitties!